So most people fail when it comes to affiliate marketing, but can you make it work? Can you really make money online with affiliate marketing? That's what we're going to talk about today. My name's Charlie Bradford, and I'm here to help you understand how you can grow an affiliate marketing business. I'm going to show you how you can finally become successful online. So my experience, where do I come from? Why do I qualify to be able to teach you? Well, it only takes me to be one step ahead of you guys, and I can show you the mistakes that I've made so you don't make the same. That's my whole goal with this channel. That's what I want to do. I want to help you avoid those pitfalls, avoid those issues. Don't make the same mistakes. Don't get me wrong, you'll make your own, I'm sure, but you can use them to grow your own business as well. So how can you make it work? Can you make it work? And how can you make it work? That's what we're going to talk about today. So first off, can you make it work? Absolutely. I truly believe that anyone can make money online with affiliate marketing, but why do so few people actually get results? Why do so few people find success with affiliate marketing? Well, it's down to one little thing, and it's the fact that so many of these people, they may spend years trying to build an affiliate marketing business with no success, really struggling, and there's a lot of problems with the whole setup of it. There's a lot of courses out there, a lot of gurus out there that want to sell you products, get you to buy into products just so they can keep selling you more and more and more. And the whole goal is to make you addicted to their products. So you line their pockets and you make them rich. But in the process, you learn nothing. You never learn the skills that you need to be able to grow a successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. This is where it all stops. And this is where I want to help you. And this is where we are going to make success together. So how do you do it? Well, first off, there's some strategies that you need. You need to be able to build an email list. If anyone tells you that you don't need to be building an email list of subscribers, then don't listen to them. An email list is so valuable because it's the only source of traffic you truly control. If you do ads, paid ads, you do organic marketing on Facebook, or even YouTube videos like you see here. If you want to start a YouTube channel, it's a fantastic way of driving traffic to your offers, but you don't control it. You don't own that traffic. Those platforms can shut you down overnight. An email list you own. Once you've built that list, no one can take it away from you. Yes, it's not easy to maintain that list and to manage that list. That comes with its own complications. And if you want to find out more about how to build an email list and how to manage your email list, then I do videos about that as well. So please subscribe to my channel. Go and check those videos out, guys. But that's the first thing. You've got to build an email list of subscribers. But how do you do that? You need traffic. So how do you drive traffic? You know, I struggled with this for a long time, and the only way I knew how to drive traffic was through paid advertising. And if you don't have a lot of money to start, then it's very difficult, because when you first start out, you're trying to learn. You're never going to be successful with the first few ads that you run. It's just a fact of the business. You know, you need to understand how it works. You need to understand the targeting of ads, all them complexities. And you're going to lose some money to start with. It's just how it works. So it's not very good when you're new, when you're a beginner, and you're looking for ways to verify that this business does work for you and you can actually make money online. So what are the other ways you can do it? Organic marketing, YouTube. That's how I drive traffic. I use YouTube videos just like the one you're watching here. It's a brilliant way. And if you don't like being on camera, it doesn't matter. There's ways that you can create content on YouTube without having to be on camera. But look at me, you know, if you go back to the beginning of my channel, go and look at those videos, they're still there, guys, so go and check them out. They are awful. I remember the first video I ever did on YouTube, I was pouring my sweat, I was so nervous, and it was me sitting in my living room on my own with no one else around at 11 o'clock at night. There was nothing to be nervous about, but everyone's got to start from somewhere. This is the thing. And the problem is things like that hold people back. This is why so many people fail. It's because you've got to push through those barriers. You've got to understand that you don't need to be perfect. You don't need the video to be perfect. You watch these videos on here, you may be a consumer on YouTube, and you watch all these videos and they look so good, but you can't possibly do that. But the thing is, those guys doing those videos, they could have been doing them for 10 years, you know, even a year or 2 years. In 6 months' time of just doing consistent content on YouTube, you will see a massive improvement. So all it takes is to get started. There's other ways. You can use Facebook organic, you can use Instagram, TikTok. You know, there's loads of platforms where you can drive traffic for free. But how do you capture that traffic? How do you build an email list from that? Well, you need to build sales funnels. You need a capture page, an opt-in page. Again, I do more detailed videos all about this, so please go and check them out. And if you have any questions about it, just stick your questions in the comments. I'll reply to all the comments, so please stick them in there. So you're going to capture people's emails, you're going to drive traffic, you're going to capture that emails, build that email list, and then you need to promote offers. So how do you pick offers to promote? You know, people, you know, a lot of these courses will tell you, you just go to ClickBank. You go and pick the highest ranking product, the one that's selling the most, you know, and you go and pick that product, and then you start throwing that link about. But how do you know that product's any good? It might be selling well because there might be some really good marketers behind it, but how do you know that that's going to solve the problem for your audience? You don't, because you haven't consumed the product. I always recommend that you consume the product. You understand fully what that product does and what problems that solves and whether it's any good. That's the ethical way to do it. It's the right way to do it. If you start throwing that link about there, all you're going to do is tarnish your reputation, and people will not buy. People unsubscribe out your list. People will report you spam. Your emails will start going to spam. Again, I've done another video about keeping your emails out of spam, so check that out. You know, this is all the complexities of building a business, and this is why so many people fail, because it's actually very simple. But you need to understand the strategies to do it, and you need to understand that this is a long-term game. You're not going to get rich overnight. You're not going to get results overnight. You know, you've got to think of 12, 18 months, 24 months down the line, what you want, what your long-term goals for this business. This is how long it could take. You know, if you get 3 months down the line, you've not made a penny yet, then don't worry. Most people don't. 12 months down the line and you haven't made any money. Most people don't. Most people have already fallen off the wagon by then. But if you stay consistent, you delay your gratification, and you understand that the success will come, but you just have to be consistent. You have to keep putting yourself out there, keep growing at least, you know, keep building your audience, keep building your followers, and building your reputation in whatever niche it may be. You will get results. That is how you do it, and I truly believe that anyone can earn money with affiliate marketing. So to answer the question, yes, you can, I can, and anyone else, anyone that's watching this video, you can. Now, to help you guys out, I've put together a free training series. If you're a beginner, this is for you. If you're more advanced, then maybe not, but this is a beginner's training that I've put together. All you got to do is hit the link below this video, put your best email address in there, because the training is going to be emailed over to you on consecutive days. And go and check those videos out, guys. Go and get started. That's going to give you the basics, and that's going to talk about other things like the partnership strategy, you know, the profit cycle, all of this stuff that I talk about in other videos. And I'm going to go more in depth into that and help you start growing your affiliate marketing business, and let's start making some money. Let's start building the life of our dreams. So please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and if you do want to check out some more of my videos, you can go and have a look at them. The next one will be just up there, so please go and check that out, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.